Okay, gang, last video for the TJ won't start. So one thing I should have made sure you were thinking about earlier before you soldered in any wires or did any work is make sure you take the negative off of the battery post. And I've just reconnected it back on, got all my protectors back on the line, fuse box closed. I'm just getting ready to tools thrown in the toolbox for now, and got the panels back on inside. That was pretty straightforward. You can see the final product right here. Nice little push button in the dash. Fits really, really good. Looks good. Everything back in. I'm gonna give it a little go here. And as you can see, still nothing. I'll turn my wipers off here. And now just give her a push with the button. Off she goes. You got a Jeep that runs. I think that's pretty awesome. Not a lot of work. And just remember what I did down here, my personal preferences, where I tapped in earlier, you've seen in the video, I actually soldered the wires in there. I know someday I might take it out, but anything I do, I like it to be fairly permanent in the sense that it's not going to cause a fire and it's not going to be an issue. But you know, there's only one thing left to do now. After a guy does a job like this, you gotta pull out a cold one. My preference is Rickard's Red, and have a beer, and maybe my wife and I will head down to LaHave Bakery. We live only 3 miles from there. Google it. It's a wonderful place down on the Atlantic coast of Nova Scotia. And we got a beautiful sunny day. We'll go down and have a coffee, and we'll have maybe a scone or a piece of pizza or some baked goods. Pick up a loaf of bread, and we'll take the top down and go have a little bit of fun. So thanks for watching. Got any questions, just give me a holler, okay? Take care.